Fields of Gold is just the prettiest song. I'm going to show you how you can strum through the chords and how you can play a nice chord melody arrangement like this. So first let's talk about strumming your way through Fields of Gold, and then we'll get into the chord melody version. Capo at the 2nd fret, so you're in the right key. The chords, we need some easy chords. An A minor 7. It's an A minor with one finger missing. It's also a lot like a C with one finger missing. An F major 7, also easy. Doesn't require you to do any barring across any strings. F major 7. Traditional regular C chord, and G. G with your middle ring and pinky. Okay, now for the strumming. We're mostly going to be doing 8 downstrokes per chord, okay, with a little bit of palm muting with the edge of your hand. And instead of 8 boring downstrokes, let's accent the 1st and the 4th every 8 downstrokes. So it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Classic pop music rhythm, right? So you're going to see the number 8 under a chord. It might say A minor 7 with an 8 underneath it, and that's exactly what you do. If you have 2 chords within the same measure, it'll be 3 strokes on the first chord and 5 on the next. But that'll help you stay with this rhythm. For example, F major 7 going to C. I'll do 3 downstrokes on the F major 7 and 5 on the C. By the way, 3 plus 5 equals 8, right? Okay, so check this out. Okay, you've heard that kind of sound before. I'm just changing chords halfway through. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. So when we get to one of those occasions, I'll put the number 3 under a chord for 3 strokes and the number 5 under the next chord for 5 strokes. And you'll be ready to go. Okay, so here comes the next clip, the verse and the bridge for Fields of Gold. So here comes the verse, slow and steady. 1, 2, 3. You remember me when the west wind moves upon the face of Bond. You'll forget the sun in his jealous sky as we walk in fields of green. And that whole sequence just begins again to finish off the verse, okay? So that whole sequence happens twice. And now let's get to the bridge. And here's the bridge. 2, 3, 4. I never made promises lightly, and there have been some that I've broken, but I swear in the days till then we're walking fields of gold. And there you have it. Now, let's get into the chord melody version. As always, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to check out my website, Songbike, for videos that are not available on YouTube. Now, a couple of quick reminders here when you play a chord melody. First of all, a light touch with your pick, okay? Very light touch. Second of all, you're going to see those stacks of numbers there, all those harmony notes. Get as many of those as you can, but if you're having a problem getting some of the harmony notes, just play the melody note, the one that's on top, okay? And then you can practice at adding on more harmony notes. Okay, so let's do the verse first. I still have my capo at the 2nd fret, just to be in the same key as the original. Okay, so I'm going to grab my A minor chord. First thing is a pull off. Here it comes. 1, 2, 3. And then it repeats. Now I'm going up an octave, pinky, an F chord, now know some of you saw the F chord and thought, I can't do F. In the description to this video, there's a link to a video I made all about tips on playing an F chord, okay? So check out that video. Also, remember what I said. If F, this 4-string F is not easy for you, just play the top note. First string, first fret, and work on adding in the harmony notes. Maybe you can get the first 2 notes, okay? Hey, it's a start, you know? All right, so there is the chord melody arrangement, my chord melody arrangement of the verse, and here comes the bridge. There are a couple of quirky things at the bridge. An F power chord, where we're also including the open 3rd string, and then we're going to transition from that chord with the ring finger still down into this weird little hybrid chord. I don't even want to give it a name because the name would just be kind of confusing. Let's call it the weird chord, okay? Notice the ring finger is in the same place for both of these chords, right? Okay, here it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same ending as the verse, right? Nice. What a beautiful song. I heard a story that Paul McCartney was interviewed, and they talked to him about contemporary music. And they said, is there any song that you wish that you had written, you know, when you heard it? And he said, yeah, as soon as I heard Fields of Gold, that was my reaction. I wish I wrote that song. So there you go. High praise from Paul McCartney. Thank you, Sting. Beautiful, beautiful song. And thank you for watching this video. I will see you for another song tomorrow.